beaches calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're here at Astoria 1. So, Station 1, where nandun yung mga activities. So, for today's activity, we have parasailing, scuba, and ATV. So, sasama namin kayo sa activities namin for today. So, di ko alam kung ma-justify ko yung pag-vlog. But I will try. I think when you go here, you should already book your tours or yung activities mo. So, it will be hassle-free. Sabihin mo lang sa kanila yung time that you're available. Just gonna wait here for your activities. Usually, dito yata sila always sa Astoria, Boracay, Station 1. So, nandito mostly mga activities. When we came here, meron kami mga nabook na activities. So, hindi ko talaga alam yung procedure if you're just, you're going for DIY. I think better you have your activities book prior. This is our third day. For the first day, kasi madaming nangyari na mga something. So, second day, we did island hopping and parasailing. So, I think I will have a separate vlog for Parao. Yun yung, so far, my favorite. Kasi it's very relaxing. I'm rested. So, pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Bora, never miss parasailing. I think yun yung pinaka-highlight. See you sa air. I hope I can vlog sa taas. We're just using phone as of the moment. So, sana hindi mahulog yung phone natin. Oh, let's go, people! Hindi ka sama, te? Ayaw mo, te? So, we're about to go to the speedboat. Yan na siya. Speedboat. We are gonna do the parasailing today. Are you scared? Are you scared? I'm scared and excited. Pupunta na naman tayong tubig. Medyo scary. But we'll see. Let's go. Parasailing na po. Diyan kami sasakay. Sa speedboat kila kuya. Kuya?
Sambo?
No? Hindi pa po.
Sa clock pa. Sa clock ya, imaya, maano? Ano yung mama?
Parasailing.
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Jumbo. Imaya?
Dito po?
Opo.
Saan po kami? Sa likod? Kaya mabasan. Hi there, people. Nandito na kami sa Bambus. Sa Bambus. Anyways, we're going up already. This is para sa hindi. Kasama ko kayo sa taas. Just this vlog. See you there.
Lang natin yung kamay yun. Ganun lang yung kamay. Pag ayaw nyo sa iba, kung gusto na bumaba, mag-sign lang kayo na ganun.
Apo.
Nangipon man? Dapat?
Sa labag po.
Opo. Okay, ganyan na yan mama. Okay.
Babala tayo kape. Hi.
Hi there, guys! I'm here! Sana kasama ko kayo dito. I'm gonna show you. There's our boat. There, down. Pag nag-ano kayo, Bora, you should try this also. This is a... Kanina kinakabahan ako eh, pero... Woohoo! Let's go! Hindi ko lang sure pag medyo pababa na, no? Hindi ko sure kung pag pababa na scary. Hindi naman di mawawala yung stress nila. Let's make a wish up here. Thank you, Lord. I'm so happy. Tatayo? Baka namin ibinabadyo na kami. We're done! Ano siya pag mag-lift na kayo, tapos magta-turn yung boat para siyang mag-drift. Pero, nice, nice, nice. Next place na. See you on our next one. Another vlog for that one. For sure. Thanks, Bora.
Wala mo na